your channel, and in today's video my dad's going to be showing you how to make a beautiful curry chicken served with rice and peas in just under 5 minutes. Okay, that was slightly misleading. It's going to take you guys at least an hour, but if you're interested, then carry on watching. First things first, let's start with the chicken. So my dad's just starting off with some seasoning. Guys, chicken ain't chicken without no seasoning, okay? We want more than salt and pepper. So as you can see, he's throwing everything in there. We've got curry powder, we've got ginger, we've got pepper, we've got it all, okay? And Aromat seasoning is great for flavor. Spend some time mixing in that seasoning, massage that chicken, give it some TLC. So if you watched our last video, you would have seen that my dad made a coating for the fried fish, and he's doing a similar thing here with the chicken. So he's used some flour, added some seasoning to that flour to make a really nice fried chicken coating, and he's now covering the chicken in that flour mixture. So after the oil is nice and heated, he then adds that chicken to the oil to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we're just doing this to seal the chicken, and you're going to get that nice golden brown, but remember, we're going to cook the chicken properly afterwards. So now it's time to make the curry sauce. Guys, we're making curry chicken, not fried chicken, okay? I know you guys got confused for a second. So some butter, some celery, some onions, some mixed pepper, give it some color, give it some flavoring, throw it all in. Chicken ain't curry without curry powder, so he's thrown in some curry powder and some flour as well, just to thicken up that sauce a little bit. Just start to eyeball your mixture, okay? You may want some more seasoning in there, you may feel like you need a bit more water, so just go with what feels best for you. As you can see, my dad used 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, but he told me to tell you guys to use half instead, although it's up to you in terms of how tomatoey, I don't know if that's a word, but yeah, how tomatoey you want the mixture to be. The chicken's done, it's sorted. We can leave that now to cook on the hob for 30 minutes. And in the meantime, my dad's gonna go ahead and focus on the rice and peas. So after adding some oil, some garlic, some butter, some onions to a pan, he's gonna go ahead and add in 2 tins of red kidney beans. Guys, rice and peas is not green peas, okay? It's kidney beans. And some kidney beans can be harder than others, which is demonstrating here. So pay attention to that when you're cooking it, because you may need to cook it for longer. And after adding in some coconut milk, he's going to leave it on the hob to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And this is optional. He will be putting it in the oven. You don't have to do this, okay? But if you are going to put it in the oven afterwards, make sure to use a tight lid to cover the pan to stop the rice from becoming too hard in the oven. So as you're seeing, he's adding in some hot water. Guys, it's not that much different from making rice, but also pay attention to the type of rice that you're using. He's using basmati rice here, okay? Some of us, we like our long grain. So just eyeball your rice to make sure that it's not overcooked, undercooked, and all that stuff. Now that the curry chicken is done, my dad's just going ahead and adding in some mushrooms. Now I'm gonna say that this is optional, because personally, mushrooms, it's not for me. But if you're a mushrooms fan, go ahead and add that in to give that last touch to the curry chicken. And there you have it. Curry chicken served with rice and peas. Guys, sorry about the accent, I'm British, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? We want to give you more content, more recipes. And as a matter of fact, if you've tried out this recipe, let us know your thoughts and comment down below. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye! If you're over the age of 18, go ahead and try this with a glass of water.